Hello students, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. So today in this video we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter 4 tick 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 and page number 40 and 41. One more thing, if you have not seen our previous video of this chapter, then you should go in description section of this video and follow the link. Now you can see here, this is the page number 40 of your book. So let's start this video. How many minutes can these activities take? Make a guess and then check at home. It means you can guess here these activities how many minutes take. After this you can check it at home. Now you can see here, this is the first activity, boiling 1 liter milk. Now you guess this activity how many minutes take. So you can write here the time of boiling 1 liter milk. I think about 10 minutes. Okay. Next activity is filling a bucket. Once again you guess this activity how many minutes take. Then you can write here. So guess yourself what will come. I think this activity, filling a bucket with water, about 2 minutes. Okay, and you can see here, this is the next activity, sweeping your room. Now you can guess how many minutes will take this activity. I think this activity take about 15 minutes. And you can write here according yourself. And next is activity time. So let's start. In 1 minute, how many times can you? It means you 1 minute, how many times you can do it. First part A, how many times can you snap your fingers? Okay, so you can check yourself to this activity, snap your finger, and write here. I think about 15 times. Okay, once again I want to say that you can do it and then after you can write here. Next activity is skip a rope. So how many times you can skip a rope in 1 minute? You can do it, then after you can write here. According to me, about 35 times. Next activity is jump up and down. After doing in 1 minute this activity, you can write here. I think about 40 times. Next activity you can write here according yourself. Then after you can check it in 1 minute how many times you can do it. So I am writing here, next activity is blinking eyes. So you can do it and count how many times you can in 1 minute. I think about 90 times. And write more such fun activities in this column and complete this doing yourself. And next is, here is another challenge for you. How long can you? And you can see here, first challenge is speak non-stop. So you can try to speak non-stop and check it how long can you do this. I think about 2 minutes. Next challenge is stand on one leg. So you can do it and write time here. I think about 5 minutes. Once again I want to say that you can do it and write here yourself. And next challenge is sing without a break. I think about 30 seconds. Okay. Here you can see 30 seconds. 30 seconds is half of 1 minute. And next is how long do you take to? A is run a 50-meter race. So you can write here how many minutes will you take to complete this 50-meter race. I think about 2 minutes. And next is collect 50 pebbles from the ground. I think you take about also 2 minutes. And once again I want to say you can do it this activity and write here according yourself. And next activity is count 1 to 100. I think about 1 minute. You can do it. So you can do it these activities with your friend and check who is winner. Okay, so this page is completed. Now move on our next page, that is page number 41. And you can see here, let's look at a clock again. Solve this one. A, the minute hand stand from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Now you can see here on this clock, minute hand this time on 2 and start moving from this place. So how many minutes will take to come back on 2? It means minute hand start from 2. You can see here, start here and moving here according like this, and again come back on 2. Now can you tell me minute hand how many minutes will take? You can calculate here. Now let's start to calculate. You can see here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and last 60. It means 60 minutes. Okay, so you remember this, our minute hand complete one round in 60 minutes, or you can say 1 hour, because 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So you can write here the answer of this question is 60 minutes. And next B is what happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to next number? you can see on the clock our hand moving very slowly. And does it also move? So you can say yes, it is move very slowly. How long will it take to move from one number to next number? So you can see here, suppose our hand on 3, and after some time this our hand reach on 4, our next number. Okay, so you can say our hand move from one number to next number. It will take about 1 hour, because when our hand on 3, time will be 3 o'clock, and after some time when the hour hand on 4, time will be 4 o'clock. It means after 1 hour the hour hand move from one number to next number. So the answer of the question is 1 hour. And next part is see, look around you and list the activities that take about 1 hour to complete. So you can do it yourself. Look around you and write here those activities which take to complete 1 hour. And you can write here name of activity. I think our math test will take 1 hour. Next, cleaning room or house. Cleaning house. And you can also write here according yourself, but I am trying. Also, next is drawing a picture. Drawing a picture. Okay. Next, completing homework. And last is watching TV. And next is how long does it take to cook dinner at home? So you can write here the answer of the question is that is how many minutes will take to cook dinner at home. I think the answer of the question is about 1 hour. But here is given some option. So let's see, more than an hour oblique, it means are less than an hour. I think this is better, more than an hour. And next is ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. I think no, as your mother. And next is which games take less than an hour to finish. And you can write here the name of the games take less than an hour to finish. I think Kho-Kho, Carom, and high jump. Okay, long jump, and so on. And last question is how long does a football match take? Now you remember this, a standard football match takes about 90 minutes. So this page also completed. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.